keeps on thinking and speaking, but that does not mean he has not material. Then he knows his opposition, his people who are going to oppose to him are also many, but he is only pursuing his job, his agenda. He is not bothered. He is not even bothered for people in his own party, and therefore I think there is a change in what BJP was and what BJP is. Yes. Now, after there are different. What I have talked to you about leadership is qualities of leadership, traits of leadership, but there are different leadership styles. Now, in a short, in a few words, I'll talk about the styles. Different styles, and different styles are good on different occasions. Different styles are good in different circumstances. And if a leader is adaptable, he can adapt himself to different styles. He doesn't stick to one style, which is the requirement of today's leader. So he becomes a very good leader. Yeah. And now, which are the styles? Pace setting leader. What is pace setting leader? Pace setting leader who models excellence, who says, who shows this is what I can, this is what you can also do, and this is how you should do it. So this kind of leader is good only if the team is skilled. If the team is not skilled, then they will not be able to do. Pace setting leadership is good if the team is skilled. Then authoritative leader, he focuses only on goals. Mostly Hitler was an authoritative leader, focuses only on goals, but Hitler was also one who would say means also. But many authoritative leaders, they will not focus on, they will not tell you the means. They say this is what the goal is, you do it the way you want or the way you can. Then coercive leader is like demanding type, like a military man. This is, you do what I tell you. Now coercive leader is also in the modern times also, sometimes it's necessary. Can you imagine what is that time? When coercive leadership is required.
Crunch timelines.
Pardon?
Crunch timelines.
Say it a little more.
So at times, you do not have either complete view of what needs to be delivered, and it's important to get the task done. And
not exactly that. When the times are difficult, when the times are difficult and you have to face that in some way, what you have given the same idea. The time of crisis, you have to have this coercive leader.
How about when there's a conflicting opinion?
Pardon?
When there's a conflicting opinion.
No, I could not understand.
When there's a conflicting opinion.
Yes. No, I have not completed the types.
I thought coercive leadership can be used when there's a...
No. Coercive leadership is good when it's a time of crisis. So at that time, the leader applies his mind, he says only do this because there is no time. It's a crisis. No time to have people's opinion. Then collaborative approach. Collaborative is where people are first. One American president said, don't ask me why I am following my people. Why I follow my people. They are my people. I must follow. So, where every people approach, people first. Like you say, customer first, people first. Then coaching type. When you are making a new organization or you have lots of people whom you have to coach, who are not. So this is very important today because attrition is too much. So if you are a leader, there are no people. So if you don't have that style, you say, okay, do this, you do. It will not be possible. He will make mistakes, but he may do it. If he will do it by hit and try, he'll have to struggle, and then he'll be definitely blaming you. Then democratic leader builds up the consensus. So, to my mind, Vajpayee was a democratic leader, but Modi is not. Vajpayee was a democratic leader. Modi is not a democratic leader. Modi, what kind of leader you reckon Modi is?
Partially collaborative, partially
Coercive.
yes.
Yes,
So very much ambitious.
very much. Yes. Yes.
So he's like the coercive type.
Yes.
He wants things done his way.